Happy Tuesday, July 8th. You saw the reality of what trading is, what I go through. I am no different than any of you. If there's one thing you can learn from what's happening for the next 31 days, I think today's... Hey guys, we are going out right now. Cowboy is in the building. All right, Katana. Happy Tuesday, July 8th. Right now, the time in New York, it's almost 11 a.m. So that's New York time. So few things we got to talk about. I have been up all night. Don't ask me why, but maybe because I was out all day. As you saw the vlog, if you watched episode yesterday, you would know. Out all day, Tulum, the ruins, the sun, all of that beaming on me. And just came home, and you can ask my assistant in the comment section. Jennifer, made dinner. And after that, you saw the episode yesterday. I said, all right, I'm going to go trade. I just didn't stop. I lost, I won, I lost, I won, I lost, I won, I lost, I won. I'll show you the full breakdown, everything later. We're going to set up for the trade, but you're going to see when you see the P&L breakdown, which I'll show you later, basically, you'll see it. You'll see the madness. There was no copy trading involved whatsoever. Oh, also, by the way, I bought more accounts. I think I bought 2 or 3 accounts now to get us started again because we lost the other ones. We lost the other ones that you saw that I spoke about freely. One account is just up drastically. And I was trading the other account, and that account, I think, is up $19,000. I'll show it to you. I think off the top of my head, I think that account is up $19,000. I bought it last night and I ran it up $19,000. So, and I've lost 2. Not like I didn't lose, but one account is up 19 grand in one night of nonstop trading. So let me set up the computer. Let's rock and roll. So we're not going to copy trade all the accounts. Let's take it slow. I don't know. Maybe it's the copy trading. I don't know what it is. I think I know. It's just the camera. I can't be myself. Patience. On camera, it's like time. Come on, people are watching. So we're going to copy trade just 2 accounts today. And tomorrow, let's see how it goes. And we'll do 4 or 3. Well, maybe increments of 1. And we'll slowly get to 5. So let's get to live trading. Let's go. All right, guys. So let's go. We are trading NQ, not MES, as you can see. We're going to do NQ today. And as you can see on the vlog right here, yes, I made $20,735 last night. I've been trading all night. We'll look at the P&L breakdown later. And yes, I lost $11,185. 100% right. So, boom. We're green for the day. And let's rock and roll. Let's take some trades. I have a copier trader on, like I told you earlier in the video. We're doing 2 contracts. We're going to start slow. We're going to do, like I said, 2 copy trade, only 2 accounts. So I'm doing 2 contracts per account, but it'll be 4 because 2. So that's what's going to happen here. And let's see how it goes. All right, I like the shorts. Let's see, we're stuck between levels. I'm in the short. Let's see, stop loss is above 905.50. I see weakness on all the time frames. Let's just get a quick move down. No, oh my God, I hit it too soon. My bad. Crap. All right, we're gonna wait. I just got a new mouse. My assistant bought a new mouse. Very touch sensitive. Sorry. All right, we're out the trade. I don't even know if we made any money on that trade. That was so fast. I have no idea. Maybe $10, $20? I don't know. We'll look at the P&L later. That's not important right now. All right, we're back in the trade. I'm a little gentle. With NQ, you have to be fast. That's just how I trade on my phone. Lightning fast with NQ. Again, every number you see in front of you, times it by 2. So if you see 200, times it by 2, 400. We're just copy trading 2 accounts today. Tomorrow we'll try 3, and the next day we'll try 4. We're going to do this nice and slow. Looking at multiple time frames on multiple screens here. There's that push down. Lovely. Glad we got back in that trade. All right, we're going to call that right there. I have a major level of support there that is battling. And is bouncing back. It's bouncing back. I don't want to play with that level of support right there. And yeah, it's just battling there. I can get back in for another short there. It's very undecisive. No clear direction. And I'm not trying to get caught in anything. And there's that push down. There is that push down. All right, cool. That was the trade, ladies and gentlemen. That was the trade. Let me just make sure I click this so I don't get entered into anything. All right, that was a trade. Let me end the recording for the mentorship students. I'll see you guys later. That's the ending of that recording. Now I can talk to you guys. So let's go over the P&L for last night. All right, guys. So here is the P&L breakdown for today. And we made 188 times 2 on that trade right there, or NQ. So this is it right here. As you can see, the stats, we're up 14K so far. And if you see this major win-loss ratio, not looking good, but I'm still profitable. Praise God. Took some hits, and we're going to cover that. 7-day win streak, 6 trades. Profit factor is good. Again, you just want that always over 1. Win rate, 76%. I'll take it. So here's the cumulative. We are just on an up. No drawdown. So now if you notice, the numbers have shifted because we lost 4 accounts and I bought more accounts on top. So let's look at, you're going to see some devastation here. Look right here, Tuesday, 49 trades, minus the 4 that we copy traded, minus those 4. And look at the commissions. Talk about over trading. Profit factor 1. You ready? Ready for the bloodshed? Check this out. Negative 4,000. Up 1,000. Negative 10,000. Up 4,000. Negative 340. Down 9,000. Negative 3,843. Down 10,000. Up 919. And now ending 818. So that's what happened there. And as you can see, the numbers right here, massive hits. Like I showed you earlier, that big hit I took. But, straight talk with you per usual, and I'll talk straight with you. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode, a lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off, Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description, and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. This is a conversation you need to understand. What did you see? You saw the reality of what trading is, what I go through. I am no different than any of you. Let's walk and talk. Breakfast is almost ready. You saw that I lost 10,000 something, but then you saw me make $20,000. And you saw me net green. I overtraded. I let it get the best of me. This happens to every single one of us. If there's one thing you can learn from what's happening for the next 31 days, I think today's the 7th or the 8th, what you need to understand is me and you, trader to trader, we're the same. It's the same brotherhood where what you go through, I go through. Keep that in mind. Every single thing you saw, I go through as well. No difference. I wanted to kill it, make even more. Loss of sleep, big payout, none of that. None of that matters if you lose your consistency. And that's what happened. If you notice, 20-something trades, only 2 of those trades were copy traded. That should tell you, I'm running on empty completely. Out all day, the sun had its effect. You can ask my assistant, like I said, she's going to show up with breakfast soon. After dinner, I was like, I'm going to go trade, and that's it. The rest was history. I went to bed, woke up after a little bit. I couldn't sleep, toss turn, grabbed the Z Fold 6, trade. Trade, 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 trade. That's how I ran up $20,000. And I also lost $10,000. So it happens. What my mindset is, just because I lost, is not the end all be all. Not the end all be all. Never think it's the end all be all of the conversation. Hopefully, just in a few days of what you're seeing, you see that we go through the same battles in our mind when it comes to the charts. Right before my brain is like done. Like I am done mentally. What I wouldn't do to just go to sleep. What I wouldn't do to go to sleep. Trading, this is the dark side of trading, right? The other side is, yes, money, no ceiling, infinite profits, all that, yes. But the other side, the dark side of it is loss of sleep, loss of peace of mind, thinking about the future. What you need to understand is, if you are willing to fight through the sleepless nights, the non-stop mental battles of the charts, then you can be a consistent trader. If you're willing to understand that no loss is the end all be all, then you can be a consistent trader. But you must understand those concepts before anything else. Before anything else. It's a battle. It's a battle. Like now, the issue is that account that I ran up to 20,000, that's going to be a consistency issue now. I can't make 20,000 tomorrow. Well, optimism, I hope so, but it's not how it works. Now the pressure of trying to get to 20, get to 15, these are issues you have to deal with. Thank you, madam. Tell them what I told you yesterday when you after dinner. What did I say I was going to go do?
After dinner?
Yeah.
Trade.
And I traded, took a break, came to her. I was sleepy. I tried to sleep, woke up, traded all night. I couldn't sleep. I ran up all night. I ran up, I made $20,000. I ran up an account to $20,000. I lost $10,000 in the middle of that, but I'm net profit 10. But I am running on empty. There's a lot of possibilities last night.
Let's see. Is there your breakfast?
Thank you. So, breakfast is served. Understand that you and me are the same. You and me are the same. God, I miss bread. So hard to eat without bread. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys, we are going out right now. Cowboy is in the building. We got the madam right here. Hello, madam. Hi. All right, guys, we're going out right now. Listen, hit Sal. I traded so far. A lot of good stuff caught in here for you behind the scenes. A lot of good stuff caught for you. We are up right now. I already traded and I'm done. And I don't even have to trade tomorrow. I won't say how much I made, but we're having a good time. Click here, free course, learn it. I know a lot of you can't afford a lot of things. Life is hard, whatever. But I'll see you in class. Let's go. So we're going to a place. I'm not going to say the name because, again, I'm here for a long time and I don't need people tracking me. This place is awesome. Madam, can you just put all this in the car, please?
Yeah.
Point being, I took a trade today. I'm already up nicely. Technically, I don't even have to trade tomorrow. But the thing is, one of the accounts, I made 24,000 something. And I've lost 10,000, just so we're clear. I didn't make all of it. I made, and then I lost a little bit. So we're going to go over that later when I get home, but we're going out. And yeah, howdy. Well, we can keep talking. Let me turn the lights on because we're going to come back probably when it's darkness. I think as of now, we're up 18,000 on the week, on the month. And I think it's July 8th or something. So that's it from there. So we're going to have a good time. Remember, at the end of the day, the least amount of trades, by the way, I'll do the trade breakdown when I get home. Doesn't matter how tired I am. I already gave you my word. So now I have to do the trade breakdown. I'll do a trade breakdown. I did one trade today, and I think I made 3.1K. I think, off the top of my head. So one trade. But yesterday, I took like 60 trades, and after all the wins and losses, 592. Got to open the gate for the madam. Got to open the gate for the madam. So back to what I was saying. You need to understand, the less trades you take, the better you are off. For me, and I'm trying my best, I'm fighting my demons here. I'm trying to just make a lot to say, yeah, look what I did. I'm so good. I don't want to do that, but I'm just telling you the truth. That's what's ending up happening. You know, I just want to know that at the end of the month, I tried my best. I gave it my all, and I showed you the full potential trading has to offer. That's the whole point I'm trying to tell you. It's the potential of what it has to offer. Like today, you saw that I did NQ. I did bet much better. I don't trade MES, really. I do it here and there. But mainly, come on, door. But mainly stay. You know what's crazy about these mosquitoes? They're violent. They do like a kamikaze attack. They like go, they fly, and then they go right into you. It's wild stuff. Wild stuff. So that's what they do. Shake it off, shake it off. Madam, the mosquitoes being demolished. Okay. All right, let's rock and roll, madam. So back to what I was saying. Ignore the line from the hat, but like I was saying, one trade netted 3.1K, right? But yesterday I took roughly 59 or 62 trades all night from 6 p.m. to maybe 7 in the morning. I took 60 plus trades. I just didn't stop. After I ate my dinner, it was just go, go, go. And how long is the drive, madam? How long?
It's not showing up yet.
It's not? Okay. Okay. So maybe on this drive, if there's a setup, I'll take some trades. Let's see. And let's make a little bit more. I'll see you at where we're going. Bye. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell, consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. All right. Gitano. This place is awesome. I've been here multiple times in Manhattan. Believe it or not, they have this place in New York. It's really nice. It's really nice here. Let me show you. Imagine this in Manhattan. This literally what they had in Manhattan. So, just imagine that. Boom, boom. Right, so we're out here, finished eating. I should have recorded it, but I forgot. I was just eating it. And basically, Jennifer got churros. I'm not eating them. I promised myself no sweets until I do really well. I'm doing well, but even better. She got churros, but that's all hers, not mine. You know, as I'm sitting here, what do you think I'm thinking about? The charts. That's all I'm thinking about. And, we were talking, and I'm like, we'll go out. I'll get her to eat something. It's all good. She's been doing good. She just got here. She's been doing good. So this is just for outing. And if you notice, nobody's here. Empty. People behind us, but overall, this whole place is completely empty, and this is the way I like it. She goes, I want to come back on a Friday because, it'll be more fun, more music. And I'm going, you can come when the students come on a Friday, but I'm not coming here on a Friday. She's like, why not? And I'm like, number one, I'm going to be straight with you. I'm at an age where degeneracy is all around. For example, if we were sitting here, I even asked the waiter, he goes, yeah, everybody be vaping. Everybody vapes freely here. And I wouldn't be able to handle it. I can't stand the smell of smoke of any kind. And then the loud noise. I just want to relax. It's as if I bought out the whole place and the whole place is fine. Isn't that how anyone would want it? That's just me. So I'm happy going out. I I'm gonna be straight with you. When I'm in New York, when I go to nice places, when I go to any real place, I like to go out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Because normal humans go out Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't like going out Friday, Saturday, Sunday, especially not a Sunday. And Fridays, I got my lives 8 p.m., so I can't go out even if I wanted to. That rule was created 5 years ago. So everything at the end works out to my favor. I ate my food, I got my vitamins, and yeah. Let's see what we end up. Oh my God, my hair looks so gray here. I guess I'm so tan from going out yesterday. I believe I went out yesterday. Guys, what do you think about the beard? I left it long. Tell me in the comment section for next time. But overall, I'm dressed up today. I haven't dressed up since I've been here. I said, why not? We're going to a nice place. Did my hair. I haven't done my hair since I've been here. And you guys know it's been a mess. Look at it now. But let's see where we end up, where the night ends up afterwards. I think she wants to go dancing. I'm not dancing. She's like, can we go dancing? I want to go dance. I said, you can go dancing. I'll come with you, but I'm not dancing. Because guess what? Loud music, noise, and I don't want any of it. So, boom. Adam, what do you think of this place?
I love it. And such vibes.
They had this in New York, and it was fire, but they shut it down. Now they got some whack-ass restaurant. We'll talk. Listen, I was here eating, but I had to take a trade. I had no choice. I'm up $1,200, $1,300 right now. Jen, you want to hit sell? With your clean hand.
Come on. The executor.
And locked in. Locked in. In that trade for a few seconds, I opened my phone. I was waiting for the setup, took the setup, and money locked in on that trade. Thank you for that, Meadow. Listen, this is what I'm talking about. I'm at dinner right now, and Madam is having the churros. I'm not having anything. I don't want it. I want cookies next week. If I do well, God willing, the middle of the week, July 18th is a Friday. It's the middle of the week. I'm going to have, she's like, she's going to make me cookies. You made cookies before. I just want chocolate chip cookies and a beef burger, steak burger. And we got halal steak coming in tomorrow. So what other job on earth can you sit in another country and in a few seconds lock in a profit of $1,000, I think it was. I'll see you in class. Left at Gitamo, that place where we had dinner. At the grocery store, again, the madam said she wanted butter and paper towels. And then we need to get a phone holder for when she drives to put the GPS. Sometimes the GPS be glitching. What is she looking at? What are you looking at? Oh, that's chemicals. Yeah, get the good cheese that we got yesterday. Don't touch this stuff. This stuff is bad. Oh, okay. I'm about to say, we only get the good stuff. I thought you were looking at the pork. I'm like, oh no, the Italian in her is looking at the prosciutto. No. Let's keep going. No pork. It's a poison. Oh, no, God, please don't even say that. Don't even say that. God damn. So grocery run again. All right, let's keep it going. Oh, so we're looking for a bowl. So if you don't know, now you know. Mosquitoes have been wrecking my life, right? So if you take coffee and burn it in a bowl, they will go away. Coffee's a poison. So boom, that's what we're looking for, a bowl. I don't want to damage the resort's property stuff. That's not nice. So I'm going to buy one so I can damage it. All right, madam, pick a bowl. Any of these would work. So boom, a high density thick one that could take the fire.
Yeah.
So let's try. I've never tried this before. I just know coffee's a poison to bugs. Caffeine is a poison to bugs. If you eat it, you die. Like, it's so funny. The other day, I don't know if I said it on the vlog, but we are on episode 8, July 8th today. Well, August 8th when you're watching it. I asked one of the owners of the resort, I'm like, why are frogs and bugs, all these things dying around my villa? He goes, Professor, you put coffee beans everywhere. I'm like, oh shit, yes. Because frogs were dying. Everything was just dying. So let's see. So your story. So we're in the grocery store, right? They wouldn't ring us up. The guy's like, nope, it's 10 o'clock, past 10. We're not ringing you up. I said, bro, what the freak? We got groceries. And he goes, no. So I go to her. I'm like, yo, talk to him. Tell her, give him some money. So she had $2 in cash, and we just gave him $2. I dapped him up, and he rang us up. And now we forgot the ticket to get the car. It was a lot. Now we got to deal with that. The life. All right, the madam wanted to come dancing here, and they're doing salsa lessons and all that good stuff. It is what it is.
Is this what you wanted to see? Yeah. All right. This is not my vibe, but you gotta do sometime. Let the record show I didn't approve of this. Some dancing. The place is Sharines. Call me Ferrale. Bienvenidos. I'll tell you a story.
All these food is delicious.
Very.
The migraine I have right now is wild. Oh, we're not looking at this. It's just degeneracy. That she's having naked. We're not looking at this. I take it back. If you look at me, no degeneracy.
Story time. So let me tell you what happened, right? As I was walking here, and then I was crisscrossing, this woman and her boyfriend were smoking weed, a blunt. The woman saw me, saw the hat, and goes, "Oh, shit!" Took and hid it behind her. She thought it was like a federale, like an officer, like a government agent or something. So, gracias. So, I'm not gonna lie, that was awesome. The fear of God that was put in her when she saw me, because they wear the hats like this. This way, no, gracias. So, that's, I'm telling you,
Study at the horse.
that was awesome. I'm the cowboy. So, all right, we're going back. So, boom. I don't dance, I don't do this, but did you have a good time?
I had so much fun.
All right, there you go. Mission accomplished.
Sport too.
Of course. I'll give in. As long as it's not super degeneracy, I'll give in. So, boom. Let's rock and roll. Boom, boom. Oh, next piece. Let's see what happens. But I'm going to go over the trade breakdown. I took multiple trades already. I took some before we got here. Took some in the car. Took some at the restaurant. Took some at the grocery store. Madam, it felt good hitting sell for me.
It did.
She hit sell for me on that. I think I'm up 4 or 5 grand for today. Today's Tuesday, but it rolls over into Wednesday. I think we'll do a trade breakdown when we get home. I will log in and then we'll screen record in the whole 9 yards. So stay tuned. Oh, by the way, for those that are watching, I got you. Listen, type in the word vlog, VLOG, get 30% off all 3 books. Type in watermelon to get $200 off the mentorship for either September or November. There you go. For those of you that have been watching thoroughly, there's the Easter egg for you. I'll see you in class.
I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go.
All right, guys, just came home and let me show you an experiment. Not an experiment, I think it's true. Coffee, I don't drink coffee, by the way. Coffee has caffeine. Caffeine is a poison. You don't have to believe it. I don't care if you believe it or not, but it's pure poison. And woo, I hate the smell of coffee. Smell it. I hate the smell of
I
coffee.
love the smell of coffee.
I hate it. So here's an experiment that I know is true. So to bugs, coffee is poison. To humans too, but whatever. I don't care. Believe it or not. So I want to see if we light this, the smell, the smoke is a natural mosquito. How does this work?
Careful.
It's not going to explode. What do you want?
No.
You thought it was going to explode?
No, but
Oh. I wonder if you can light it on fire. It actually doesn't smell bad.
it doesn't.
Yeah, we're going to find out if this actually works. Holy shit. This smells like Christmas. All right, guys. Home. It's really late. This is New York time, but it's 12:06. I'm never usually out this much, but Madam wanted to go dancing, so we went dancing. I wonder if this is working. Burning coffee. Bugs don't like it. Let's see if it works. At least it has a steady smoke, you know? All right, I got to answer some story DMs. I mean, stories. I posted a box for stories. And people are asking questions. So I'm going to answer that. Hang out with me. All right, this is a good question. Professor, can you give me a page number in the book which can help you decide? Well, the physical book, How to Be a Consistent Trader, I'm assuming. The best pages to figure out is page 41. That's the favorite. Page 100. Those two will guide you. Boom. God bless Elon. I understand what he's trying to do. I completely get everything he's trying to do, but you got to think bigger, man. You got to worry about Mars. You know, make your money, go to Mars, live your life. That you said you wanted to go to Mars and die. That's where you wanted to die. So go do that. For me, it's the swamp. I can't talk freely. I'm sorry. I'm going to get in trouble. Y'all are going to get me in trouble. So I can't answer this question fully. This platform is controlled by the blue team, the DEMCRATS. So I can't comment on this freely. This will get me in trouble. You know how I think and freely talk. But I can't do it. Read the book or come to class. I'm not answering this here. Oh, when it comes to time frames, if you truly understood time frames, you wouldn't run after indicators. If you truly understood time frames, you could go long. Oh, I could share my P&L for the past 2 weeks, week and a half, and you would see how much I'm up. Oh, how much I'm up. You'll see in the vlog when they drop August 1st to August 31st every day. But as of now, oh, how much I'm up. So nicely. But if you only understood time frames. There's more to answer, but I don't want to answer them. I've answered enough. Thank you, madam. You going to drink some too?
Yeah.
Good. After this, I'm going to go and do the breakdown for today. Did very well today. I'm proud of myself. Hopefully I get some sleep. God willing, I will. I am running on empty because I was trading all night. It's an addiction. Yeah, die, bugs, die. Good. I think the coffee stuff is working. The mosquitoes are not here. Madam, I think the coffee stuff is working. No mosquitoes. Nothing. Can you bring me the next second bowl and coffee? Let me make one for you. Nothing is next to me right now. You know, to those watching every episode so far, we're on episode 8. Thank you. It means a lot to me. You know what really means a lot to me? Those of you that comment and like. I don't know who likes these things. You can't see, of course. But I do see who comments. So thank you for commenting. I truly appreciate that. You know I'm supposed to say like, comment, and subscribe. I don't care. But for those that do, thank you. I know my videos don't get the most views like a lot of people because I don't post what other people want to see. I don't talk about drama. I don't post nice things. There's no, the next shiny object on this page. This page is just about consistency and trying your best when it comes to trading, life, all of that. That's all. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Does this smell like Christmas? I'm sorry. This smells like roasted chestnuts in the city in Manhattan with the guys who sell nuts. That's what this smells like. Roasted nuts in the city, Manhattan, during Christmas time. They sell chestnuts. That's what it smells like. Well, you guys go burn some coffee and let me know what it smells like. Am I right, Manhattan people? Mosquito. Let's see what he does. The smoke is messing with him.
This is going up.
Yep, because he's fighting the smoke coming towards
It's
him.
weird. I don't see him.
It worked, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. What happened to you? He was trying,
Yeah.
and then the smoke.
He went away. Great.
This brain of mine, let me tell you a story. I don't like sharing some personal things, but I could go a little bit into it. In my family, a lot of my family is superstitious, right? They're superstitious people. Praise God, not my father. My father is a logical man. No superstitious BS. For example, I'll tell you a story. My first car I got when I was 18. It was well, I'm not going to share too much. It was a car, okay? I don't like people knowing too much personal. And the car was black. And black interior, black exterior. I like black everything. Black car, black car. I don't own a car. Black clothes, I meant to say. And my grandma was pissed at me. My grandma goes, "Why did you buy that? That's bad luck. You're going to get in a car accident." I'm like, "Grandma, don't start. Don't start. A color does not represent bad luck." Superstitious nonsense, right? Old people, what are you going to do? So, point being, my logical brain comes from my father. Thank God. Thank God. Because I just quantify things differently. For example, you guys saw, well, maybe not in the episode, but I bought coffee when I got here in June. I put it everywhere. And the owner of the resort was like, "What are you doing?" I said, "Oh, coffee's a poison. It kills any insect it comes in contact with." He goes, "I'll try that." I asked him a week later. He goes, "You were right. No more ants in my house." I said, "Yeah." So, but the other part is, it kills everything too. Frogs eat it. They're dead. Like this damn frog that keeps
All night.
all night. Me too. Me too. You act like I don't hear him. By the way, I know we haven't read. So someone can remind me. Well, of course, you can't remind me. You're watching this in the future. You're watching this July 8th. By the way, today, right now, is July 9th. The next episode starts later. By the way, I'm going to wake up much later tomorrow, God willing. I'm going to sleep in. I'm already up a few grand today. So I was trying to trade in the car coming home, but the market's super slowed down. The liquidity, there was no liquidity there. What the freak am I supposed to trade? I'm not going to get stuck in a trade. I'm trying to go to sleep, man. I'm running on empty. I'm trying to go to sleep. All right, guys, come with me. We have to do a trade breakdown as I promised you. And like I promised you. So come on. Let's go do the trade breakdown. Have a good night, madam. Oh, before I forget, we got to read a quote. I'm not going to forget today. We're going to read a quote. Let's read a quote. Let's read a quote out of this. The quotes from the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Okay, let's do the first one. Let me flip the camera around so you can read it with me. A ruler who does not take good care of his subjects will be dragged by his face and hurled into hell on the day of judgment. So, a ruler, a leader, your job is to take care of people, right? For example, let's get the light on me. I'm a leader to my students. I'm a leader to many of you. I try my best to do the best as I can. Murder will be the first matter taken up on the day of reckoning. Well, you guys know this. Every single religion views murder as a major sin. So, just be good. All right, guys. So, below me, you see the breakdown for today. And I know today is Tuesday, but it's Wednesday in the middle of the night over here. I took some trades after 6 p.m. They get rolled over into as a Wednesday. So look at this, right? We're gonna break down all of this. By the way, I have every account active right now, even the ones I failed. You know, funded failed ones, the failed prop firms. I got all of them in combined. I noticed that it made it go away, so I put on all accounts. So if you notice, look at this progression. By the way, I need you to follow along so you can see that this is real. See this? A slow progression. July 1st, look at the date. Look at the date. We are up $14,099 right now. Not bad for a week and a half of work. Not bad. 64% win rate. Average win-loss is atrocious. 930 to 643. Profit factor 127. As long as this is above 1, we're good. Win streak, again, I don't care. Current, this is such stupid stats. I brought that up already. But as you can see, we'll look at it here. Again, if this was fake paper trading, I wouldn't be able to do this B&L curve like this. Just so we're clear. We have been consistently moving in a nice upward trajectory. Again, a little hint, use code VLOG, get 30% off the books. So I'm going to do that after I'm done with this. But as you can see, we have been nicely going to the upside. And the week is closed in 2 more days. But back to the point I wanted to make with you. 66 trades, $512. 13 trades, 2.6K. 3 trades, 5.1K. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Today is the best day I've had this entire week. So tomorrow, we'll do it again. We'll do it again tomorrow. When I wake up, I'm going to probably sleep in because it is very late. I know it says 1:45, but it's actually 12:45 here. Everything is on New York time. I don't care about Mexico time. I'm on New York time. I trade the New York Stock Exchange, the New York session. So that's it. I could work better on my losers. If you look, $55,000 losses, $70,000 winner. $55,000 I've lost. And I made $70,000. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And we haven't had a losing day. I try my best to be very good and disciplined. But the goal is to get to July 31st. We have some weeks. I will celebrate the halfway mark. Once we get to July 18th, depending on how well we do, then I will celebrate nicely here. Cookies, Madam will make me chocolate chip cookies. We'll pop open some bubbly, non-alcoholic, of course. And then, yeah. So we got some time. And you can see these are some of the trades I took tonight. 1,000, 814, 3,000, 1,000, 1,000 loss, 2,200 loss. Boom, 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 boom. I try my best I just try my best. That's it. I don't do anything special. I don't do anything different. I try really hard to just hit sell. I try really hard. I wrote the books on it, right? As you can see, if you want to learn how to get to some place where I am, start with this book. Then start with this book. And then the third book, as I showed you. And then come to my class if you really want to master this. But it's all to just help you. You can believe whatever you want. Because again, if this was fake, I wouldn't be able to do this. Okay? If this was paper trading, this is physically, meaning if this was altered in any way, you can't alter this. This is not an alterable system. This is prop firms. This is their integrated journal. There's no downloading data and altering it on the side. This is how it is. So believe whatever you want. Go on your journey to find out if this is real or not, but it's real. 15,000. Let's keep it going. What number can we hit at the end of the month? Let's see. If we're already at 15 here. 30. Maybe 50,000? I'll say it right here. 50,000 or more, God willing. $50,000 or more. Boom. And also, just to be clear, I have all the funded accounts open, all active, 14. The ones I've lost, the ones I've won on. And the dates, just what we need to worry about this month. So I'm not hiding anything from you. Anything. Boom. I'll even click it here. All accounts. All accounts. Even the accounts that I blew, testing out everything. All accounts. Nothing hidden from you. I have no interest of hiding anything because I don't care to be liked. Once you don't care to be liked, you're free to be yourself, to show things, because no matter what you do, somebody will always find something wrong. And that's the trade breakdown. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.